all right.
Matt, take care of me. Teach me. I don't want to be awkward or afraid. I love you, Matt. I want there to be a happy ending.
I promise there will be. Look. My hand's trembling too.
Hear how the wind begins to whisper. See how the leaves go streaming by. Smell how the velvet rain is falling out where the fields are warm and dry. Now is the time to run inside and stay. Now is the time to find a hideaway where we can stay.
Soon it's gonna rain. I can see it. Soon it's gonna rain. I can tell. Soon it's gonna rain. What are we gonna do? Soon it's gonna rain. I can feel it. Soon it's gonna rain. I can tell. Soon it's gonna rain. What'll we do with you? We'll find 4 limbs of a tree we'll build. 4 walls and the floor we'll bind it over with leaves, then duck inside to stay. Then we'll let it rain, we'll not feel it. Then we'll let it rain, rain pell-mell, and we'll not complain if it never stops at all. We'll live and love within our own 4 walls. Would you like for me to show you the lookout tower and the throne? And this, the family, pride, and joy. The ballroom.
My, how grand!
Princess.
Your Highness.
We'll find 4 limbs of a tree we'll build. 4 walls and a floor we'll bind it over with leaves, then run inside to stay. Run inside to stay. For soon it's gonna rain. I can see it. I can feel it. Run inside.